Hi, folks. Grego here with yet another weird Japanese snack food quickie. And I have a couple of friends along with me today. Now, as you have probably been watching, because it's all been completely viral, I have been reviewing Kit Kats in Japan. And the person that is responsible for all of this madness is actually sitting right there. um, that would be Reverend Amagon, also known as Tasty Cake. He's
Your
right
boy.
here.
Yeah, boy.
Your Tasty Cake. He's the one responsible for this craziness. The Orange Kit Kat. Yes, there are hundreds of YouTube shorts right here on the timescales where I went in convenience stores all over Japan looking for the damn orange Kit Kat. And the damn orange Kit Kat will mean more to you after you've watched all of those terribly boring shorts inside of Japanese convenience stores. So we've covered the orange. What was also covered by the time that you're seeing this is the rare Mount Fuji Kit Kat.
That
Now,
does look nice.
Mm.
oh my God, these things are so delicious. This is the second version. There was a Mount Fuji Kit Kat last year that was strawberry cheesecake, and I think that they're all probably sold out and out of date by now. This is actually blueberry cheesecake. And I
Oh,
have
wow.
covered these. Yes, I have covered these in a previous video. And then probably the most recent video that you will have watched in this weird Japanese snack food quickie series would be the Tokyo banana. And
It's got
this
a
is
little
a,
bow. It's got a little
yeah,
bow on top of the banana.
yeah. This is a gift box only available on Japanese airlines. And I'm actually assembling a variety of flavors inside this gift box for someone. And that
Mm.
someone will go without saying for now. So today we have strawberry. Now, these right here came from the Narita Airport, which is also called the Tokyo Airport. It's not in Tokyo. It's actually quite a ways from Tokyo. Just in the same way that the San Francisco airport isn't actually technically in San Francisco,
Ah.
it's quite a ways away. So
Yeah, I hate
this
that one on
is
airports.
strawberry.
I hate that on
You- you-
airports. Like, we got London Luton and London Stansted, and they're like over 50 miles away from London.
yeah, yeah. Once you're pushing 50 miles away, that's kind of ridiculous. They need to actually mention the city. I think the Dallas airport is like in a different city as well. Uh, so okay, so let's try these strawberry ones. To be perfectly honest, I'm really getting tired of trying Kit Kats. I mean,
Yeah.
they're so good. There's been about 300 flavors in Japan, uh, but this is where we are. Tom brought us here, so all right. So let's
They're
open
so,
this thing.
they're so dinky.
Oh, it's pink.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're so small. They're so small. This package right here has 11 portions in it,
I love.
and yeah,
Oh, yes.
this was 900 yens. So it was about $7. This is one of the more expensive ones. And let's see what these things look like. They're pink.
Have we got Kit
That
Kat on the
logo.
logo?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Cool. Do you snap them before you eat them?
Oh, yes. That's one of the most wonderful things about a Kit Kat. Snapping them off. So all of you Americans and British people, be jealous because you can't get these easily. And if you can, they're expensive. Let's see what they taste like. Yes, The strawberry is all there. In fact, maybe just a little bit too much strawberry. So, yeah. Do I want the second one?
Yes, you do.
Ah, what the heck. I
What would you
feel
rate
like
it?
I feel like I've been inoculated when it comes to artificial strawberry flavor, probably for at least the next month or two. No, yeah, I don't want any more strawberry Kit Kats right now. But anyway,
How much would you rate it out of 10?
6 or 7.
Okay.
It's kind of a marketing stunt, and I think it's too much strawberry. But all of our palates are different.
Yeah.
Everyone's going to have a different experience with these, and I think that by choice, my next experience with a strawberry Kit Kat is going to be a long time from now. So, I think that's good enough. So, okay, and we're now going to record the next video, which is adult only matcha tea, Japan only Kit Kats.
What
So
makes it adult?
we're going to find out. Stay
Okay.
tuned for the next video, which will be airing next week. Candyman and Reverend Amagon, thank you for being along for today's weird Japanese snack food quickie. Nice to have you guys along.
Thank you for having us.